here is the review of my custom Misfire with his target master aimless. Now, this is a heavily modified custom, which means it's using parts from other toys and using it on this figure. Now, the parts that it's using in vehicle mode, like the wings and the cockpit, these are from the original G1 Misfire toy. And these things on the back, these are from Armada Starscream. And these fins here are from either the Classics, Universe, or Generations Deluxe Starscream mold. And the one problem I have with him is the color. Because if you remember on the original G1 toy, he was pink, but here it's purple. Now, I have seen a picture of this guy on TFW 2005, and this guy was all pink, so I think it has like faded over the years this was made. But it doesn't really bother me. Now, he does come with his target master here, which is aimless. And if I remove him here, this is using the the Universe nightstick, and the only difference here is it has the front barrel here removed, and some of the handle has been cut off. And you can have him store on top of Misfire, which you've already seen. Now, he doesn't like tab in, he actually magnetize on, because Misfire here has this circle here, which is a magnet, and Aimless here has this chrome circle here, which is also a magnet. So he just magnetizes on, as you can see. So now to transform him, first I will have to show you how to transform Misfire. So to transform him, you just take these two barrels here, bring them down, then take the lower body here and bring it down. Straighten down his elbows, and finally bring down his feet. And there you have Aimless in robot mode. And there's no new parts added. He's just the nightstick mold. And for articulation, he can rotate at the arms, bend at the elbows, and his legs move together, which means if you move this leg, the other leg will move. And that's it for Aimless. So now to transform Misfire here. Take these fins here, bring them down, take these here, which will become his legs, and bring them back. Take his feet here, bring them down, and rotate them, and flip out his heels. Do the same on the other side. Untap his arms here and bring them down. And then rotate his hands so that they're facing to the front. Do the same on the other side. Take the cockpit here, bring it down, if I can. There we go. Bring down the cockpit here. So that's like this. Then rotate it around and then fold it down. And finally, rotate his head around and you're done. I will have to scooch the camera back. And you can see there is a lot of new parts added. So the arms, the waist, the upper legs, and the feet, these are from Alternator's Prowl. And his shoulders here I have no idea where they're from. But if any one of you know where his shoulders here came from, let me know in the comments. But these guns here, as you can see here, these are from Cybertron Landmine. And his chest and his head are both from the original G1 Misfire toy. And his hands here are from either one of the G1 combiners. And for articulation, he has a ball joint at the head, ball joint at the shoulders, and his elbows have a ball joint here and a hinge here. And his hands are on a ball joint here. Waist swivel, his side skirts can move out, forward and back at the legs, move in and out, thigh swivel, single jointed knees, and his feet have, if I turn him around, has a hinge here and a ball joint here. And he can still hold his target master here. First, I will have to get him transformed back into gun mode. So you just fit him into his hand. And there you go. So, final thoughts. My only problem with him is the color, which was supposed to be pink, but I think it has faded through the years. But I'm not mad about it. And if you see this guy on TFW 2005, you'll know what I'm talking about. But everything else, to me, looks great. So I guess that's about it. So there you have my custom Misfire with Aimless. And if you like this video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.